Hello, in front of me I've got SCUF Valor Pro. In this video I'll show you how to replace thumbstick for professional grip thumbsticks. In the beginning, the top plate of the controller is magnetic. In order to remove it, place your fingertip right here and pull the plate upwards. Now, pull up the thumbstick and now select the second thumbstick. Now install the top plate. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.